Lately, stepping into the Web3 world can feel a bit like navigating uncharted territory, with potential pitfalls lurking around every corner.
Mm-hmm.
The opportunities are immense, but so are the security challenges, and staying ahead of the risks can be, well, a real headache.
That's a crucial point. The rapid evolution of Web3, while incredibly dynamic,
Mm,
unfortunately, it also opens up new vulnerabilities that malicious actors are quick to exploit.
right.
Even for those who are quite familiar with crypto, keeping pace with the latest threats demands, constant vigilance.
Which is exactly why we're diving deep today into GoPlus Security, or GPS, a project aiming to build a more secure and reliable foundation for the entire Web3 ecosystem.
Sounds important.
Yeah, our mission is simple: to cut through any technical complexity and really understand what GoPlus is doing and why it might significantly impact how confidently you can navigate Web3.
Okay.
We've got their in-depth information and other sources, so let's get right to it.
So let's start with the fundamental question. What is the core ambition driving GoPlus Security? What are they really trying to do?
Okay, so GoPlus Security envisions creating the first truly decentralized security layer for Web3, providing broad protection across, well, basically all blockchain networks.
Mm,
They're essentially aiming to address what they see as a fundamental weakness in the current blockchain infrastructure, making on-chain interactions safer and more user-friendly from the ground up.
What's particularly interesting there is their strong emphasis on decentralization.
Right.
Considering that Web3 itself is built on this principle, relying on a centralized security authority would introduce a certain tension, wouldn't it?
Yeah, exactly.
GoPlus seems to be striving for a security framework that truly reflects the open and permissionless nature of Web3.
Precisely. Their central idea revolves around this notion of a genuinely decentralized security infrastructure. Instead of depending on a single point of control, they're distributing security responsibilities across multiple participants, which ideally should lead to a more robust system, less susceptible to censorship or single points of failure.
Okay, that makes sense. And to bring this vision to life, they've developed what they call a comprehensive security framework. Correct.
That's right. This framework takes a holistic view of an asset's journey on the blockchain, starting from its creation, secure asset issuance,
Okay.
moving through its use and storage, so secure asset management, and finally to its trading and exchange, secure trading and risk prevention.
So end to end.
Exactly. It's an end-to-end perspective on security rather than just addressing individual pieces. This holistic view is, I think, a significant step up from traditional security tools that often operate in silos, potentially missing the vulnerabilities that span across different stages.
Yeah, that life cycle approach makes a lot of sense. Many existing security measures tend to focus on isolated aspects, which can leave gaps that attackers can exploit by targeting the transitions between these stages.
And supporting this framework is their decentralized security network. Now, this isn't just a marketing term. It involves a variety of participants,
Okay.
including data contributors who supply the system with security information, compute node operators who perform the actual security analysis, and developers who create the security services themselves.
Right, a collaborative security model where the
Okay.
responsibility is distributed. It aligns very well with that decentralized ethos.
And it's this network that underpins their ability to offer native blockchain integration through their GoPlus security module.
Right. Yes, exactly.
So then there's this concept of native blockchain integration facilitated by their GoPlus Security module, or GSM. Think of it as an on-chain security guard, maybe,
Yeah.
that can directly interact with blockchains, wallets, and decentralized applications.
The GSM seems like a really critical element then, acting as a first line of defense by examining transactions before they're finalized on the blockchain. This offers the potential for real-time risk assessment directly within the Web3 environment.
It's designed to analyze transactions and compare them against customizable security settings. And here's a stat that caught my eye. Since 2022, they've reported some pretty significant traction. 30 million daily API calls.
Wow, 30 million daily.
Yeah, coverage across more than 30 blockchain networks and protection for over 28 million wallets, potentially preventing billions in losses. Those adoption numbers are impressive.
Definitely impressive. What do you think accounts for this rapid growth? Does it indicate a strong validation of their approach?
I think it has to, right? That kind of growth suggests a significant need for the services GoPlus provides and indicates that their solutions are resonating with the Web3 community.
Yeah, the sheer volume of API calls highlights the scale of security-related queries and the extent to which their intelligence is being leveraged.
Now let's talk about the tangible ways they're already active their existing products. First is GoPlus Intelligence. This is a collection of security detection services that covers a wide range of threats, from analyzing the safety of tokens to identifying malicious addresses, detecting phishing scams, and even simulating transactions to evaluate their risk level.
And the scale of GoPlus Intelligence is quite remarkable, handling over 30 million requests every single day, you said, and integrated with more than 5,000 different projects. The fact that major platforms like DexScreener, CoinGecko, CoinMarketCap,
Big names.
and widely used wallets such as Trust Wallet and MetaMask are incorporating their APIs really underscores their established presence and the trust they've built within the ecosystem.
It really does demonstrate that they're actively providing essential security tools that are already being used by a significant portion of the Web3 landscape.
Definitely.
Then we have the GoPlus Security app and extension. This seems more focused on providing security directly to individual users.
Exactly. It puts security controls directly in the hands of the user, offering features like a scanner for multi-chain wallets, immediate risk alerts, and a comprehensive security dashboard.
And protecting 28 million wallets.
Yeah, that speaks volumes about its reach. And a Chrome extension with over 200,000 downloads and 100,000 daily transactions shows that people are actively using it for the everyday Web3 interactions.
Okay, and the last of their current offerings is the Safe Token Protocol. This is designed to enhance the security of how new tokens are created and how their initial liquidity is managed.
What's particularly noteworthy about Safe Token Protocol is that it provides free, ready-to-use templates and tools for securely locking the initial liquidity of a token across multiple blockchains.
Oh, interesting. Free templates.
Yeah, which addresses a major concern for both new projects and their early investors, right? Liquidity locking.
Right, rug pulls and all that.
Exactly. The fact that over 1,000 tokens have already utilized this protocol and it's being integrated with meme launchpads indicates its growing adoption in a segment of the crypto space, often perceived as carrying higher risks.
Okay, so we have a clearer picture of what GoPlus Security is and the products they offer. But how does all of this actually function at a technical level? Let's delve into their underlying infrastructure, kind of look under the hood.
Okay, sure. The infrastructure is structured around several key layers. The foundational layer is the security data layer.
Right.
This is responsible for the decentralized collection and verification of a wide array of security-related data. So, information about token security profiles, lists of known malicious addresses, data on NFT security risks, intelligence on phishing websites, that sort of thing.
And decentralized collection is key there.
Crucial, yeah. It aims to create a more resilient and less biased source of security information.
Okay, so building upon that is the security compute layer.
Right. This is where the heavy lifting of real-time risk analysis takes place. They're utilizing AVS, or actively validated operators,
AVS, okay.
to perform crucial tasks like simulating transactions to identify potential risks and detecting wallet drainer scams based on requests coming from the GoPlus Security module.
And when we talk about restaking in the context of AVS, what's that mean here?
Well, think of it like putting up additional collateral to vouch for the integrity of the security computations. By leveraging existing staked assets, GoPlus can create a more robust and trustworthy computation layer.
Gotcha. So leveraging that existing security from staked assets.
Exactly. The integration of AVS operators is significant because it leverages the security and decentralization benefits of restaking mechanisms, potentially enhancing the reliability and trustworthiness of their security analysis.
Which brings us back to the GoPlus Security module, the GSM. As we've discussed, this acts as the on-chain firewall, connecting with various components of the Web3 ecosystem, blockchains, wallets, dApps, to evaluate transactions before they are finalized.
The GSM is really the key point of interaction, translating those high-level security policies and risk assessments into concrete checks right at the transaction level.
And to integrate all these components, they have the SecWare protocol. What's that about?
This appears to be a framework that allows developers to build and deploy their own specialized security services, or SecWares, on the GoPlus network.
Okay, so like a marketplace for security tools?
Sort of, yeah.
Okay.
And the inclusion of staking and slashing mechanisms here is particularly interesting.
How so?
It means that developers who want to offer these security services need to stake GPS tokens.
Ah, okay.
This incentivizes them to act responsibly, right? And provides a mechanism to penalize those who offer unreliable or, malicious services. These economic incentives are vital for maintaining the integrity and performance of a decentralized network of security service providers.
Right, put some skin in the game for the developers.
Exactly. These economic incentives are crucial for ensuring the quality and reliability of the security services offered within the network.
Makes sense.
And it's important to remember the role of the Safe Token protocol within this broader infrastructure, providing those standardized tools for secure creation and management of digital assets.
Okay, now let's discuss the GPS token, which seems to be the fuel that powers much of this ecosystem. What are its key functions?
Yeah, the GPS token is designed with utility that spans the entire security lifecycle offered by GoPlus.
Oh.
So end users will likely use it to pay fees for accessing advanced transaction protection services,
Right.
while businesses will need GPS to tap into GoPlus's comprehensive security intelligence.
Mm-hmm.
And projects will also utilize GPS to leverage the features of the Safe Token protocol for managing their token liquidity securely. So it acts as a kind of native currency for accessing and utilizing the various security services within the GoPlus ecosystem.
So it's not just a speculative asset, it has intrinsic utility within the GoPlus platform itself.
Precisely. And beyond just being a payment method, the token also has important staking utility.
Oh, okay.
To become a security service computing operator or a data provider within the network, participants need to stake GPS tokens.
Right, like we mentioned with Secware.
Exactly. This staked collateral acts as a guarantee of their commitment and enables them to earn rewards for their contributions to the network's security. Users can also stake their tokens or delegate them to operators to further enhance the security of the compute layer. It aligns incentives and contributes directly to the network's security.
And I understand there are also plans for transaction fees within the GoPlus app to be collected in GPS,
That's correct.
which could further drive demand for the token as the platform's user base expands.
Yeah, potentially, with a portion of those fees maybe being reinvested back into ecosystem rewards and further development.
Oh, okay.
Regarding the token's overall structure, the total supply of GPS is capped at 10 billion tokens,
Okay.
with an initial circulating supply of approximately 1.8 billion tokens upon its initial listing. That's about 18.1% of the total supply.
They've also provided details on how the tokens are allocated, with 23% going to investors and advisors and 20% allocated to the core team. For you, the listener, understanding these distribution figures can be helpful in forming your own informed opinion about the project's tokenomics.
And importantly, they've allocated a significant portion, 300 million GPS tokens, for a HO dealer airdrop to reward their early supporters.
That's quite a bit.
Yeah, with an additional 400 million tokens earmarked for future marketing initiatives to further drive adoption.
Okay. Looking forward, what are the key milestones on the horizon for GoPlus Security? Let's examine their roadmap and any recent progress beyond what they've already achieved. They've already demonstrated a solid track record of delivering on their promises, haven't they?
They have indeed shown consistent progress.
Yeah.
Since launching their initial API services back in early 2022, they've expanded their support to numerous blockchain networks, introduced sophisticated transaction simulation capabilities, and achieved impressive growth in both the volume of API calls they handle daily and the number of projects integrating their solutions.
We saw those numbers.
Yeah. The launch of their user-facing app and browser extension in 2024, followed by the introduction of the Safe Token protocol and the GPS token launch and staking program in early 2025. It all points to a pattern of consistent execution.
And if we focus on their roadmap for the remainder of 2025, what are the key areas of focus? What's next?
The emphasis appears to be on further strengthening their decentralized nature and enhancing their core security offerings. The upcoming test and official release of their security data layer are particularly significant
Why is that?
because this will enable community members to directly contribute security data,
Oh, okay.
further decentralizing their intelligence gathering and potentially making it even more comprehensive and up-to-date.
Gotcha.
The integration of GPS support for staking within the AVS framework will also contribute to a more robust and decentralized compute layer.
They also mention an AI agent audit, which sounds interesting. What do you think that implies?
Well, it suggests they're exploring the use of advanced artificial intelligence to improve the accuracy and efficiency of their smart contract security analysis, perhaps.
Could be powerful.
Yeah. Additionally, the planned integration of a gas fee model within their application and the continued development of their native blockchain integration through the GoPlus Security Chain Native module seem geared towards providing a smoother and potentially more cost-effective experience for users and developers interacting with their platform.
So continuous improvement and deeper integration.
These roadmap initiatives clearly indicate a commitment to continuous innovation and the ongoing expansion of their decentralized security infrastructure within the Web3 ecosystem.
Okay, building solid technology is one thing, but seeing real-world adoption is crucial. What kind of progress has GoPlus Security made on the commercial and business development front? Who's actually using this stuff?
This is an area where GoPlus has demonstrated significant traction, actually. They've established partnerships and integrations with some of the most prominent players in the Web3 space.
Like who?
For example, their security data is integrated into widely used platforms like DexScreener, CoinGecko, and CoinMarketCap.
Okay, the big data aggregators.
Right, providing risk alerts to a vast number of traders. Leading wallet providers such as Trust Wallet, OKX Wallet, Token Pocket, SafePal, and BitGet Wallet have incorporated their security APIs to offer enhanced protection to their users.
That's a really impressive roster of integrations. It clearly shows that established entities within the Web3 industry recognize the value proposition of GoPlus's security solutions.
It does. Furthermore, there are safe token protocols being actively utilized by platforms like 4.meme for facilitating secure token launches.
Oh, the meme launchpad?
Yeah, indicating adoption right at the point of asset creation. Their collaboration with EigenLayer for the development of GoPlus AVS is also a significant step forward for their decentralized compute layer.
Right, connecting back to the AVS tech.
These partnerships highlight that GoPlus is actively collaborating with others to enhance security across the entire Web3 ecosystem, rather than operating in isolation.
Good point. Finally, for anyone who wants to delve deeper or get involved with the GoPlus security community, what are the best channels to explore?
GoPlus Security maintains an active presence on several key platforms, including Twitter, Medium, Telegram, and Discord.
The usual suspects.
Exactly. These are excellent places to stay up to date on their latest announcements, engage directly with the team, and connect with other members of the GoPlus community.
So to summarize our deep dive, it looks like GoPlus Security is developing a really comprehensive and decentralized security framework for Web3.
Yeah.
They're taking a holistic approach, offering a range of active products, and have established significant partnerships throughout the industry.
Exactly. Their core objective is to fundamentally enhance the safety and user-friendliness of the Web3 experience by addressing security at a foundational level through decentralization, intelligent analysis, and on-chain protection mechanisms.
And that leads us to our final thought for you, the listener. Considering the ever-increasing value and activity within the Web3 space, how critical will decentralized security solutions like GoPlus Security become in the future for fostering mainstream adoption and building long-term user confidence?
It's a big question.
It really makes you think about the fundamental requirements for a truly open and accessible decentralized internet. If you're interested in exploring this further, we've included pointers to their white papers, in-depth reports from firms like Masari, and their public data dashboards, where you can really dig into the details yourself.